luchando por ti, por recuperar la cordura en mi lugar, para reparar el cristal y soltar la soledad que a través de la ventana me miro llorar. Tantos años que me vio pasar y me dio cobijo en su hogar, añorando ese lunar, engañado con un bienestar que no era verdad, que no era real, abrazado de las ranas para continuar, para retomar el camino de mi andar y olvidar que la muerte no era el final, no sin antes intentar una última oportunidad. Nunca es tarde para comenzar lo que ayer juré sería hasta la eternidad. Hoy estoy aquí, ya lo decidí, no quiero partir, no puedo dejarte ir, no puedo mentir, no puedo fingir para resarcir el daño que cometí y recuperar el tiempo que perdí.
Between my head and my mind, and every time I try, God, I know you understand. Every day you miss, I put it up on my head. I'm gonna put it all, but as you know, I'm through again. I get it on the sea and on the land, on the sky. Every time I try, I'm gonna figure out why. Every time I'm feeling kinda low, then you know you gotta go. When I'm feeling like a rebel, then you know you gotta run. Any night I cook you all the nicest of meals, and I'll take you to the ball, but you know you gotta roll. Anytime that you grip, all the time you wasted on the day. Every time you try, you know you will get a lie. I'ma fall in love, I'ma catch a cold. All the time you're gone is the time I'm off, and it's getting to my head and my mind. Can you call it love? You got me out here bouncing like I'm Donkey Kong. I'm gonna keep it on my lover's list, cause you know you gotta understand. Every time you got the love in the head, I used to feel it in my days just the same old way. Not gonna worry what lies ahead, but you know I've been gone again. So much stress on this, and every day a lot of stress in these fucking days. A lot of stress in these fucking days. I know it's wrong, but I gotta say, you gotta tell me if you feel the same. A lot of stress in these fucking days. A lot of stress in these fucking days. I know it's wrong, but I gotta say, I wanna trade what I got just to ease the pain.